Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to walk you through an easy step-by-step guide on how to sell crypto on Transak. So to get started with a quick guide, the first thing to do is to go to global.transak.com and switch to the sell tab from the option. Then from there you have to select the cryptocurrency you want to sell, for example BTC, HEAT or USDT. Then after that you have to pick the blockchain network. For example, you can pick the Ethereum or the Polygon where your crypto is held. Then after that, you have to, input the amount of crypto you wish to sell. Then choose your desired fiat currency. For example, you can pay from the NGN, which is Nigerian currency. You can also pay the USD, which is the dollar or the euro. Then after that, Transak will display the equivalent fiat amount you will receive, factoring in currency exchange rate and fee. Then after that, you have to choose your preferred payment method, such as your bank transfer, your debit/credit card, or Apple Pay or Google Pay. Available option may vary based on your location and selected fiat currency. Then after that, you have to enter your wallet address from which you will send the crypto. Then provide your bank account or card details to receive the fiat. Then complete any required KYC verification. Then after that, you have to send the specific amount from your wallet to the address provided by the Transak. Then ensure the transaction is completed within the stipulated time frame to avoid delay. Then after that, once your Transak confirm receipt of your crypto, the equivalent fiat money will be transferred to your chosen payment method. The processing time may vary based on the payment method and your bank's policy. So that's it. Let me know in the comment section if you find this video helpful. Thanks.